Hey guys, it's Otto, and today I'm gonna do a new Mystery Minis Guardians of the Galaxy bobblehead things. Yay! Yay! Wait, the first yay was kind of like a this isn't really exciting, but it is super exciting! Yay! And it's my first video on my channel. Yes, I did get a channel because yeah, this is a video on my channel. So I did get a new channel. Yay! So I'm gonna open 5 up, and these are really, really cool boxes. So here's this box. We did find these at Hot Topic. We love Funko Mysteries, and I hope I don't destroy these because it's easy to pull them off. So let's start with the first box. So here's the front. Here's side. And then there is metallic figures, and here's all the ones that you can get. And it's also glow in the dark. These are really, really cool boxes. And now I need to open one up. Let me just grab out Spike. So I am gonna open up 5, and I'm just gonna open up the other 5. Wait, that's not how you open up boxes. Yeah. Okay. Uh-oh, I missed. I like to squeeze all the air out. Let's hope I get a metallic or glow in the dark one. I got Star-Lord! I see his weapon. Awesome. Uh-oh, I think I already broke it maybe. Oh no, it is. So these are bobblehead ones. Here's what he looks like. They're all 1 of 12 chances. So there's that one, it does not show a number like how rare it is because there isn't any rare. So there's one I got. He's bending down on his knee. He looks awesome. He's really, really cool. And of course, since he's bobblehead, so we can bobble his head. Open. And then we just snip this. We got Rocky Raccoon! Awesome! And he's mad. It looks like he's mad. So there's our second one. He's really, really cool. Oh, that's a lot of air. This is hard to get all the air out. Oh yeah, because it's stuck in there. Let's see. We got another Rocket Raccoon. Oh, we got a different one. Yay, we have both of the Rocket Raccoons. Woo! I can't stand him up. Okay, I can't stand. Oh, there we go. So there's what he looks like. He's really hard to stand up. So beware of that. So there's my third one. We don't need Spike for opening the boxes. Yeah. Let's open the bag. Let's hope we don't get another Rocket Raccoon because then we just would get a double. Ooh, we got it. We got both the, yay, we got both of the Star-Lords. Awesome. I probably like this Star-Lord better. And my favorite raccoon, Rocket Raccoon is probably this one. That's what it looks like. Okay, now on the last one. Let's hope we get like glow in the dark or metallic. Let's hope I don't get double. Whoa, that was easy. Really, really easy to get out of all the plastic out, or all the air out. You're like, yep. Let's go that tin piece. Wait. Oh. So he's the accuser and he's evil, and all these four are of course good. Well, basically 2 of these are good. Because these are the same and these are the same and that guy is different. So I'm really looking forward for the new movie to come out. It hasn't come out yet. And thank you for watching my first video on my channel. And I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and bye-bye.